daughter Dawn hosts an annual gingerbread house decorating party for us. And she's an art teacher, so as you can see, she leaves no stone unturned. She works very hard preparing for it, right down to the last piece of candy. She puts the houses together for us, so we don't have to. And she doesn't do it the old-fashioned way with the icing. Since we don't eat the houses anyway, she puts them together with her glue gun. Now that's a big hack for you. And everyone gets their beverage of choice with their own special glass to take home. Cheers, everyone! But we can't do a good job on an empty stomach, so lots of pizzas arrived. It's pizza time! Well, everybody's belly is full of pizza, so let's get this party started.
Here goes your Brian.
I'll bring them next Friday. I'll text them and tell them on Friday.
Listen, I'm using a lot of balls tonight. These are coming in handy.
Your ball.
Well, Dawn and I decided it would be fun this year to have all of you vote on which house you like the best. Although we have to agree that this was our best year. They all came out good. Well, we thought we'd end this with a little fun. Here's my grandson Aaron with his Grinch onesies on, and his girlfriend Hannah with her light-up sweatshirt. And then the boys changed to their favorite t-shirts that their girlfriends bought them. So from our gingerbread houses to yours, we all wish you a very Merry Christmas. And if you enjoyed this, give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave. And most importantly, vote. So, love you all. We'll see you next year. Toodles!